Welcome to our channel Prompt 5. In this video we will see about 5 delicious and mouth-watering foods you should never miss in India.
Number 5 is a food called paneer tikka. For vegetarians, paneer tikka is a popular appetizer. It consists of marinated chunks Indian cottage cheese skewered and grilled until they are slightly charred and smoky. In number 4 is the butter chicken. This creamy and tomato-based chicken curry is a North Indian favorite. Tender pieces of chicken are simmered in a rich and buttery tomato sauce, often served with naan or rice. Number 3 is chapati, also spelled as chapati or roti in some regions of India, is a staple Indian flatbread made from whole wheat flour. It is one of the most common and popular bread varieties in India. Number 2, biryani. Biryani is a fragrant and flavorful rice dish made with aromatic spices. Basmati rice, and your choice of meat. Each region in India has its own style of biryani, so be sure to try the local version wherever you are in India. And in number 1 comes the masala dosa. A South Indian classic, masala dosa is a thin, crispy rice crepe filled with a spiced potato mixture. It's a must-try for breakfast or dinner food.
That's it in this video. See you soon in another interesting video.